Papaya Candy. A dessert from Cape Verde. Serves 4. You will need 3 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the papaya into fine strips, then peel and wash well. Step 2. Place the papaya and sugar on a slow fire until the sugar dissolves. Step 3. Cook for 10 minutes, then set aside for a half hour. Step 4. After a half an hour, reheat at a higher flame until the mixture becomes sugar-like or crystallized. Step 5. Shortly afterwards, remove from heat and, using a spoon and fork, mold into different shapes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.